Kimchi is an interesting side dish. You see it all over Korea. You see it in every restaurant, every Korean restaurant you've ever been to. They give you a bunch of little dishes of what they call banchan, which is side dishes. And much of the banchan is some kind of a fermented vegetable, which is kimchi. The standard kimchi everybody's familiar with is cabbage kimchi and oye kimchi, which is a cucumber kimchi. And the good thing about kimchi is it has a lot of probiotics. Well, everybody's looking for ways to get probiotics into their diet because it helps with the digestion, it helps with good gut bacteria, and so everybody's jamming as much kimchi as they can into their diets now, which is good. Now in Korea, somebody just told them that sauerkraut has lots of good probiotics. So the Koreans are kind of trending away from kimchi and trending towards sauerkraut right now. But actually, kimchi is just as good with probiotics as sauerkraut is. So if you're looking for a good way to get probiotics and you don't really like the sour taste of sauerkraut, you should try kimchi. It's got an interesting spicy flavor. It's a little sour. It can be more or less fermented, and it can be quite tasty, and it's great with Korean.
I would rather lie. I don't want to fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest. I'll just make you cry. I don't want to fight with you.
Today, I'm going to make a cucumber kimchi, which is oye kimchi. When I was growing up, cucumber kimchi was one of my favorites. Cucumber kimchi doesn't have to be fermented for a long time. You can just eat right away, and if you like, and then you can keep it in the refrigerator for a long time. I like to wait for a couple of days because I like the flavor which developed fermentation. Also, it has more the beneficial bacteria. If you like pickles, and you will love this oye kimchi. The process of making pickles and making cucumber kimchi is pretty much same. Oye kimchi, the difference of making oye kimchi is I put gochugaru, which is the form of Korean chili pepper, garlic, and ginger, and the Chinese chives. That's pretty much the difference. So let's get cooking.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes.
When you make cabbage kimchi, you need a lot more than this. But cucumber kimchi, a lot of people don't really use any like paste like that. When people usually make the cucumber kimchi, they don't use the sweet rice paste. But I like it because I don't usually eat right away. I wait a couple of days. I like the taste better, and also it has more beneficial bacteria. So, and tastes better. I like the sour.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you.